DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang, 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 gang. What's get it? What's going on? Oh, he jump out with the Don Julio. Oh shit, he's sipping on. Oh fucking dog. That's crazy. Wait, he walking out with the Don Julio bottle and he's sipping on that shit. He not smoking on Julio. He's sipping on. Ah, shit. Hold on. Oh, he's smoking. He's smoking the cigar too. He's smoking and sipping on. Ah, come on. Shit, this nigga finna go crazy. What's gonna happen? Sipping on this. Oh man, dog. Oh, I'm scared to play this shit. What's gonna happen, gang? Game over. Damn. You just came out of the Royce to just do that? That's crazy. Oh shit! I put the Julio. Damn, gang. Yo.
Yeah, I know I smoke dead people, man. You know what I'm saying? I
smoke dead people. Damn.
5 in the morning, I got a call. What is this? Dead on the floor, dead on the ride, Mr. 6. Oh, no. I'm steady screaming out for the law, for the 6. 4 in the car, 1 of them dead, 3 got hit. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war?
Hold on. This nigga go crazy, bro. Damn, I'm sorry, dog. He's choosing some fire ass beats too, dog. Yo. Damn.
Yeah, I know I smoke dead people, man. You know what I'm saying? I smoke 6.
I smoke dead people, smoke 6.
5 in the morning, I got a call. What is this? Dead on the floor, dead on the ride, Mr. 6. Oh, no. I'm steady screaming out for the law, for the 6. 4 in the car, 1 of them dead, 3 got hit.
Damn, 4 in the car, 1 of them dead, 3 got hit. He's telling you what happened during the.
I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. I told them step a little hard around this bitch.
Man, you gotta step hard when I say, oh man.
I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch.
Boy, in the black Air Forces, bro. Black Air Forces, he's sipping off. Damn.
Pulling up the could have seen, knocking off his top. Bullets through this windshield, can't miss with this chop. I told them niggas don't come and play with me. Play with me.
Wait. This nigga telling you how he called him lacking? This nigga really telling you how he called him lacking?
I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. Hey. Pulling up the could have seen, knocking off his top. Bullets through this windshield, can't miss with this chop.
Damn, I said pulling up, they couldn't see, but oh, that's come on.
I told them niggas don't come and play with me. Play with me. I told them niggas watch what they saying to me.
Yeah.
Nigga, I kill for shit like this. Nigga, I live for shit like this. And the nigga went to that grave and
I
took
kill for shit like this. I live for shit like this. Come on.
a picture. They got hit. And the nigga that made the list, I bet they got that shit split. And the nigga got caught in trap, bet he got his shit flipped. Nigga, I caught coming out of the trap, I bought the car and bust him. They saying rest in peace.
Give me a second. I'm recording a video. Give me a second.
to him, I'm screaming, fuck him. Tell her I was to come outside and slide for 6. It ain't no way that y'all can't run, you boys can't hide from this. 5 in the morning, I got a call, what is this? Dead on the floor.
This nigga going crazy on this shit, boy. People say expose some shit. What do you expose, gang? Come on.
Dead on the ride, Mr. 6. I'm steady screaming out for the law, for the 6. 4 in the car, 1 of them dead, 3 got hit. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch.
Damn, tell them niggas they want a war.
These niggas tripping. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. Damn. Hey, 4-1 sweet ball game, nigga. Ball game. Don't doubt what they call me, nigga. Bitch, I'm running shit like Tony. I don't get no fucks. 76 Susan knock his face off. Now pick him up.
This man go, hold on. Dog, this man. Hold on, gang. Hold on, gang. Hello? I'm recording a video. Hold on. Come on, gang, let's get it. My dog, hold on, we gotta do something. Yo, hold on, look at this. Oh, look at it. My dog hit me up right now, dog. We better. All right, look at this.
Play, you niggas can get it too. Cause I got bodies under my belt and all I know is shoot. 120 down inside my eyes, I lost my mind. Karma do the all, I know get back, do a time. 556 increase the murder rate. The body on the way. Mask on, get up close. This another close case.
Damn, mask on, get up close. This another close case. God damn, no.
Little shots to the 5 in the morning. I got a call. What is this? That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. I'm steady screaming out for the lawn, for the 6. 4 in the car, one of them dead, 3 got hit. I told them niggas they don't want no
car, one of them dead, 3 got hit.
War with this shit, war with this shit, no. I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch, I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. No war with this shit.
That's crazy, boy.
Wait,
is that the spot? He didn't pull it. Okay.
Niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch, nigga.
That's where they shot. That can be.
Fucking done dollar, man. Fuck. Niggas all day. These niggas don't want to go to war with me, man. These niggas don't want this shit, bro. These niggas don't want to go to war with me, man. Fuck. I'm fucking glasses, bro. Let's hit the fucking road, man.
They don't know what is it. Yeah, hey, shit, Yungeen Ace, bro. You feel me? But, hey, man, it's a crazy situation. They ops, they beefing. I saw it go. All this fear and love and war. They say, you know what I'm saying? But Julio died making fun of the dead, and here you go making fun of the dead. So we don't know. Karma. Hey, shit, we don't know, man. Hey, let me know what you think about that one, gang. Yungeen Ace, game over. Julio this. What you thought about the whole video? He said some stuff in there, man, that, hey, y'all break that shit down to me, man, because I'm pretty sure we all on the same page, you know what I'm saying? But drop your comments in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artists some love and support, you know what I'm saying? Let me know, drop your request to get your shout out, all that good stuff, gang. But yeah, Yungeen Ace capitalizing on every moment, you know what I'm saying? He's making the most of this shit. He's going hard. He's clowning Julio like that's how Julio used to clown other people. So it's like, hey, man. And let me know. Drop your comments. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.